The KVRG heavy-duty appliance rollers use a clever lift handle that drops sturdy wheels only when you need to move a machine, then settles it back onto grippy pads for everyday stability. Their telescoping rails adjust across a generous length range, so one set can support everything from compact washers to full-size refrigerators and bulky furniture. A solid carbon steel frame and broad non-slip pads give these rollers a very secure feel under heavy appliances, while also helping to shield delicate floors from scuffs. By raising appliances nearly 2 inches off the ground, the system improves airflow underneath, reduces moisture buildup, and can help slow down rust in damp laundry rooms. Once installed, even a loaded washer or dryer glides smoothly enough for one person to pull it out for cleaning and maintenance without straining. The kit arrives with clear instructions and all needed hardware, so most people can assemble and fit the rollers in a short time without special tools.